Another beautiful day out here. It is around 6 a.m. and we had a heavy frost last night. Actually, the boat has a chunk, about a 1 inch thick chunk of ice. Very unexpected. It is June the 10th, and I'm not complaining because there's no mosquitoes this morning. We have our sea can. We're gonna get a second one soon, but we need to put pilings in. I'm gonna go in and get some coffee on, and we can start our day. Come on, Molly. Molly's loving it. You loving it out here? Yeah. Nice and cool. Let's go inside. Well, we just got back from town here, and it's a beautiful day. It's not. I just weed whacked the driveway and went to the hardware store there and got some quickcrete, and then we filled up the water jugs, making concrete, and we're gonna drill some pilings, 4 pilings in here, and somehow put them on there. So and then as soon as we get this unloaded, we're gonna go get the boat ready to go fishing tomorrow. Karen's excited about that. And yeah, just carry on with working and playing. Get the smoker and unload the trailer. A little bit of smoke.
Okay.
Well, we're here. First fish of the year. Tezzaron Lake. Give it a go. Striker. I've seen a fish rise right there.
I've seen one as well.
Alright, well, the boat's full of water. You notice that?
Yep.
The plug in it?
Hope so.
Alright, figure it out. Pile of bags in the water. Well, we're out on the lake, and once we got the boat up on plane, we noticed that there was probably about 6 to 8 inches of water from all the rain that must have creeped by the cover. Anyways, we tried a trick that we saw on the Striker Boats website, and that was we got it up on plane. We weren't going that fast. We had a lot of weight with water in here, and opened the drain plug, which is really nerving. But we've seen him do it a few times, and it worked great. And the water just left, just through natural, like a Venturi effect. But anyways, it is smoky out here. We woke up to smoke. Went to bed. It was sunny and beautiful. Woke up to the moon being orange. All these wildfires in Western Canada. And we are going to monitor the fish finder here in Navionics. We've never fished this lake before, so we're gonna see if we can find some, basically find some movement in the fish finder. Tell us that there's fish under it, and then we'll set out. Just gonna start with a flasher rig, like a Dodger setup, like we would for kokanee. But big lake trout in here, rainbow trout, apparently kokanee, Chinook salmon, and
Chinook salmon's not
there's no shit.
Newer.
Oh, I thought Chinook were in here too because of.
Not that I can see.
Oh, okay, never mind. Forget the Chinook salmon. It looks like we got something on the bottom there. Kind of hoping we run into an area that has lingcod, burbot. But you seen in the last video, you see how big this lake was, and they have the mountains up there and everything, but we can't see any of that today. So I did bring the drone. Might fly the drone if it clears up a bit, but anyways, I better concentrate on getting the line in. No, I don't think you did. Let's see what you got here. Looks like you got a nice little rainbow. Bring it into the net. There you go. First fish. Beauty. On a skinny G and a Dodger by MEPS.
I'm a little tangled.
Grab the fish. First fish. We're gonna put it back. Okay, there you go. Gone?
Gone.
Beauty.
Fish on.
Did I lose it?
Nope. Not me.
Yeah, you really took that. That fresh bait.
Nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh.
Quick retrieval. Make him stir. Rainbow, eh?
Yeah.
Right over here.
Nice.
Well, considering we have one to smoke, we'll might as well do who. And he swallowed this, so
Yeah.
yeah. Pass me your pliers.
Yep.
Yeah, he's bleeding pretty good. We're gonna.
Hey.
Lots of fish there. 21 feet. Good action here. Got two nice rainbows for smoking here later. And finding this stuff here. It's called Mr. Trout. Little eggs. Actually, this stuff's from last year. We just had it in the boat and couldn't find any worms for sale in town. So yeah, so this seems to be the ticket for this rainbows. And then we choose some shoe peg corn. This stuff here is from kokanee fishing, and it's last year also. Because this pretty much getting all the bugs out this year. We got the bimini on completely backwards, but it's working.
The light is fading fast. From this old town we gotta go. Our bags are packed, so what we waiting for? There's no point in delaying what we both already know. Escape this time with me. Escape this time with me. We could rent a room and watch the stars dance round the moon. Fall asleep to the sounds of the sea. With you right by my side, it's such a sweet life. Escape this time with me.
Take it out. Oh, is it done? Okay. Just tighten it on your side then. Well, that was a fun day of fishing. We ended up, I think the total score was Karen 2 and Brad 1.
You had 3 bites.
We had 3 bites. We lost our bait quite a bit. Not bad. First time on a lake. We're gonna go home. We have a smoker and I'm trying smoking these fish. So we're in between some jobs here and decided I better get the fish on the smoker. So we did a quick brine, salt brine. We didn't have any sugary products like maple syrup. We always bring maple syrup, but we didn't bring any this time. So we marinated in salt and Coca-Cola, regular stuff, lots of sugar. And I got those fish on the smoker. Oh, that's some serious smoke. And now I'm gonna put some chicken thighs that I picked up yesterday at the store in town, and some pork side ribs.
Cheap.
And they were a good price. like under 10 bucks for a big thing of ribs, and I think these were only $7 or $8, $6.03. So that's a lot of meat. Anyways, we figured we're just gonna have smoker running anyway, so we might as well do it. This kind of stuff, I just like salt and pepper, and then I'll put barbecue sauce on the end. But smoke them while we do some concrete. Karen's cleaning out the coolers, getting rid of the fishiness. It, turned out to be really beautiful, nice little rainbow trout. We weren't going to keep any today, but we hooked them wrong, or we hooked them bad, and they wouldn't survive. So. The regulations here, you're allowed, I believe, five
trout.
5 trout, and only one can be over 50 centimeters. So we're just going to do salt and pepper on these guys. And then we have some leftovers. Hockey game tonight, so hopefully they come back and win.
Hopefully this video ages well.
Yeah, hopefully the video ages well. Okay. I don't want to really touch the salt here. I got meat on my hand there. I should be good on that because this is the meat side.
Do you need salt for the...
Already got it, yeah. Man, this is coarse. Well, salt and pepper. And I'll stick those on the top rack until they're done.
Oh my goodness. You did help.
Take my eyes away. Holy smokes. Get it? I'm gonna put this there and there. The only thing I'm gonna put this, because it's got fat, I'm gonna put it to the edge.
Yeah, good call.
So it doesn't. Oh. So I'm using on this. I'm using alder chips. They're real coarse chip. They say you don't have to pre-soak these ones, so but still be careful, they catch on fire. But yeah, well, we'll get to doing the other job. We'll put a bucket of water here in case we have a fire, and be eating in a couple hours. So we went a couple hours on this. Actually, it's been almost 3 hours. The ribs, I'm gonna turn the camera around here. So those are the ribs there, the chicken, and then the fish. The fish looks really good. Oh, that looks really good. But yeah, time to eat. Have a good evening.
What are we going to use to cut it? Do we have a sawzall or something? Alright, the only thing I can think that maybe we should do is make sure that
Good morning. Live from the sea can. So today it's our last full day here. Then go back for a couple days, grab another load. We're going to attempt to jack this sea can up and put sort of some sliding wood, and then we're going to pull it with a winch onto the over top of the pilings, and then we'll be able to drill the back. Well, wish us luck. Yeah, he's fine. He heard the truck going and he's fine. So you can see we pulled this ahead about 2 feet. It's resting on the blocks. Only destroyed the ramps. Oh well. So now I'll measure what I did there. Probably right about there. I'll drill, put in a piling, and then we'll repeat. We'll jack this up and pull it that way onto the piling. And yeah, this is the hard way to do it. Good morning. It's time to leave for a couple days, and we're all loaded up, taking the ram back because we got it's just got more capacity, bringing all my tools back. And quick load up and then I head back. You're gonna miss it. It'll only be a couple days, but we got a lot done this week, and thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in a few weeks. Ciao.